Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I will show you how to download Google Chrome on your laptop or PC. To get started, open Microsoft Edge on your Windows device. In the address bar at the top, type google.com and press enter. Once you're on the Google homepage, use the search bar in the center of the screen. Type Google Chrome and press enter. In the search results, click on the official link that says Google Chrome, the fast and secure web browser. This will take you to the official Chrome download page. Click on the button that says Download Chrome. The installer file will begin downloading. When the download is complete, click Open File in the notification that appears. The Google Chrome installer will launch and start downloading the necessary files. Wait for the installation to finish. Once it's done, Google Chrome will open automatically. You can sign into your Google account to sync your bookmarks and settings across devices if you want. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, feel free to like the video and subscribe for more tutorials.